Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday, it is President's Day, and I am just starting out my day. It is about 1 p.m. I did already eat some breakfast. I had some toast, eggs, and now I'm just gonna make myself a little drink and enjoy, guys. Hope you guys like my videos and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start cleaning. I have to put these dishes away. They're clean, luckily. There's a little bit of dirty dishes, but that's about it. And then I have a whole bunch of cookies that I made last night. So yeah, put that stuff away. Can never wash dishes without doing that. Gotta wash this because I haven't washed it in a couple days. So let's wash it. Oh, so fresh. I'm gonna refill this jug. Since we use a water filter to filter our water, so we don't have to buy water bottles. Kitchen is pretty much clean. So snowy out. Guys, I'm gonna try to take a nap. I'm tired. It's about 1:30 and I just feel tired, so I'm gonna take a nap. Hey, are you playing chess?
No. But I'm trying to figure out
Well,
how this queen sacrifice leads to a checkmate.
oh, you're trying to figure out.
Yeah, like they're gonna sacrifice their queen. They can't do that when it has to be this. Boom, that's a check. You come down.
I've never tried a grapefruit.
Boom, that's a check.
Let's try it. Not grapefruit.
Oh, are you recording yourself?
Blood orange. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm over here talking to myself.
It's pretty good.
It looks like it has chamoy in it. Like you already put some chile or something.
Wearing a white shirt though. It tastes like an orange, but it's got
Blood in it.
it's got like a little tangy to it.
So sourness.
A little tang.
So I was right.
But it's really good.
But is it sour? In other news, here's Celeste's snack, right? All these pretty little fruit. Wait, move your hands. All these pretty little fruits. Y'all want to see what I got at the store? Bunions. Not sponsored.
I'm gonna buy more of those.
You like them?
I like them. That's actually really good.
Hold on. It's not showing your whole face.
These are pears, but they're called Asian pears. But it's kind of like an apple. Like it's crunchy like an apple. It's very good.
I prefer regular oranges.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I also prefer regular pears though.
This is our dinner. Some albondigas, broth, veggies. Good.
Oh yeah.
Limon, some chile, and
These are
jarritos.
serranos, so they're pretty spicy.
Yep. So good.
What is up, peeps? We're on a walk. It's been super cold. It's always been winter. It's been a lot of snow, a lot of wind, a lot of coldness.
Yes. It's finally March, and
It's
the
finally
weather
March.
actually feels better.
Yeah, it's
It
warm
literally
enough.
was March 1st, and I felt like the day was so sunny. The sunniest day we
Yeah,
had.
seriously.
It's crazy.
So it's good enough to walk again. So we're gonna be walking a lot again.
Yes.
Burn off the calories from just sitting at home all day. I was gonna say.
We're gonna go all the way to that.
This is hilarious because show your shirt.
Wait.
This always happens.
Somehow we always match. I don't know. At least I have this on top. I made it to the top.
My butt hurts. Holy cow.
So pretty.
Have you ever showed this?
Yeah.
The Whitman Memorial?
Yeah. Yes. Whew. Catch your breath. It's not even that long. It's probably like, I don't know.
It's probably like a quarter mile to be honest.
But it's so steep.
It's just steep.
It's like, phew. And we're out of shape.
It's probably closer to. That's not that far actually. Yeah, probably about a quarter mile.
But we haven't really walked,
It's a
so
little more going down.
definitely feel it.
Yeah.
My heart is literally was above 140. I'm going up the. Wow.
That's all it is.
This view and you. It's funny.
It's bright out here.
Yeah. Oh, is that the mountains? No, this is the clouds. It kind of looked like the mountains in here for a second. Look, see?
Oh yeah, just like the mountains. That's funny.
Wait. That is the mountains on this side. On this side,
on
you
this
can
side
see the
it is.
mountains. I
That
thought
side, it's just
this
the
is just clouds, yeah.
That's funny.
Feels really good.
Sorry, this is a little history. I'm always giving history lessons in your videos, I feel like. Not a history lesson, it's geography. The point is, we live by the Blue Mountains. And on a day like this where it's partly cloudy, the clouds look blue. But the mountains also look blue. So then it all just blends in and it's all blue. It's like that's mountain. That's clouds. You almost can't tell the difference.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's very blue over there.